It is a hiccup in the timing of your neural circuits, but that is not the only explanation. We must talk about the hippocampus and the temporal lobe. These are the areas of your brain responsible for forming and recalling long-term memories. Scientists have theorized that déjà vu might be caused by a momentary, harmless misfire in these regions. Think of it as a power surge in a building. For a microsecond, the electrical signal that tells your brain this is a new memory accidentally crosses paths with the signal that tells your brain this is a retrieved memory. Your brain tries to reconcile these two conflicting signals, but it cannot. The result is that feeling of eerie familiarity that refuses to go away. It is essentially a false alarm that screams, "Memory," when there is no memory to retrieve. There is also the Gestalt familiarity theory.